Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm making cookies, and I've already started. I've already got my first batch out, my second batch in the oven. And these are chocolate sugar cookies, and they're one of Joanna Fluke's cookies that she does in her Murder She Baked mystery books. So it's really good. I've made these before and it makes a lot. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I'm going to also be trying out my new wooden spoons I got. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, I'll need 2 cups of butter. That's 4 sticks. I'll need 4 ounces of baking chocolate. I've got it chopped up. I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar. You do not sift it. I've got 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It calls for a teaspoon of orange zest. It's optional, but I didn't have any, so I'm not using it. You need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And the cream of tartar is critical. We've got 4 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. You do not sift. And we've got about 1/2 cup of sugar for later. Now I melted my chocolate and my butter together in the microwave. I microwaved it on high for 60 seconds, and then I just went an extra 15 minutes to make sure it was all melted and combined and smooth. And I really love my wooden spoons that Simply Cool Things sent to me. They are such great quality, and I'm really pleased with them. Now you want to add your powdered sugar and your granulated sugar and stir it really well. Once it's well mixed, set it aside to cool. Now that your chocolate mixture is cooled enough so that it won't scramble your eggs, just stir in your eggs one at a time until it's well mixed. And once you get your eggs mixed in really well, you can add in your vanilla, your baking soda, salt, and your cream of tartar. Now once everything is stirred together, you want to add in your flour 1/2 cup at a time. I have to say, my wooden spoon really held out for this job. It was good and sturdy. Now it's time to scoop my cookies onto my tray, and I like using the silicone mats. And you just scoop your cookie and roll it into some granulated sugar and just push it down on your pan just a little bit. Once you get your cookies laid out, you want to bake them in a 325-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let them cool on your pan for about 2 minutes before removing them to cool completely on a wire rack. So let's try this cookie. I already know it tastes good. I've already had one. It's still warm, but it's real gooey and soft. It's almost like a brownie. It's so good. If you like brownies, you'll love these cookies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.